Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish bread. First, gather your ingredients, including 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and a half cup of warm milk. You'll also need a sweet red bean paste for the classic filling. Make sure your fish-shaped waffle iron or pan is preheated and lightly greased. Combine the dry ingredients, then slowly add the milk and 1 egg, mixing until smooth. Let the batter rest for about 30 minutes. Once your batter has rested, it's time to prepare the individual portions. Gently divide the dough into small, equal pieces, aiming for about 25 grams per piece. Flatten each piece into a thin, round disc, roughly 3 inches in diameter. Now, take about 1 tablespoon of your sweet red bean paste and place it directly in the center of each flattened dough disc. This ensures a consistent filling in every fish bread. Now for the fun part, shaping and cooking. Carefully fold the dough over the red bean paste, pinching the edges firmly to create a secure seal. This prevents the filling from leaking out during cooking. Place the sealed dough into your preheated fish-shaped mold. Close the mold and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until each fish bread is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious fish bread is now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, as this is when they taste absolutely best, with the soft dough and warm, sweet filling. For an extra touch, you can dust them with a little powdered sugar or drizzle a bit of honey on top. They make a wonderful snack or dessert. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.